GoThunwills.com here with Shawn Horne. After just setting the 4x4 men's record here at CSU-Pueblo, Shawn, just kind of talk about the race for you, and then watching the other three guys just kill it.
Well, it was pretty good. We went out, executed the race, set the school record as you said, and everything just went well. Everything fell in place.
Was that the plan, just to keep you guys fresh and just go score?
Yeah, that's all we did today. So all we were planning to do was just go out there, qualify, break records, and got it done.
What are your goals personally, just for this outdoor season coming off indoors?
Personally, just to go out there, go as hard as I can, do better than I did the last week, better than I did the last day, just be a good teammate.
GoThunwills.com here with Kayana, Casias. Just finished your first collegiate outdoor meet. Just kind of talk about what it's like to transition from that indoor to outdoor season.
Indoor is definitely different than outdoor, just because you have to run twice as much in the inside track. So it's nice being back outside, and it was really nice weather, so it was a good day.
Ran your first outdoor 800 meter. Talking to the coaches, they were really excited about the time you put up and the effort you had. Just kind of talk about what that race was like.
Running the 800 is definitely kind of scary. I've never ran that far before, but my coaches prepared me really well, and I've been working out with the distance girls, so they made me pretty tough. So I'm ready to run a faster time next time I run it.
And then you came back and ran that 4x4. Obviously you had to mix up the lineup a little bit, but how'd that feel for you?
It was definitely sprung on me, but I just had to give it whatever I had left to the team to make sure that we could have a good race.
How nice is it to kind of start the season on your own track and being at home?
Yeah, it was definitely really nice. It was nice having like a home field advantage. We know how the track feels and everything, so that was really nice starting off here.
Was this just kind of a warm-up for you guys? You get a week off, then you're home again in 2 weeks, a lot bigger meet, a lot more athletes going to be competing, kind of just warming up for that big meet?
Yeah, definitely. This was just kind of get the feel for it. We're going to hit it hard over spring break and then hopefully come run some PRs.